We go to the vending machine. Okay. Shut up.
Stop, y'all.
Shut up. Shut up. Where you put the money at?
You gotta go up front.
Nobody at the front.
Yes, there is.
Oh. Can I get a Kit Kat?
If we put all that together, it's $8. Okay. Can I get a Kit Kat? I'm giving you a matcha. No, you're not. We got some to drink in the room. You can come down here for that.
Wait, it's not even no candy.
Don't forget, we still got our snacks for everybody else, not just for you. I know that. Listen, that drink is $2.50. You don't have to get a drink. Everybody knows that drink is chips.
Get some chips. I don't remember that.
Can I get a Kit Kat?
Can I get a Kit Kat?
I can pay for the pizza Kit Kat or whatever. But how much the Kit Kat?
I want some Reese's.
Okay.
I want some Reese's.
Okay. Okay. Okay, get it.
Stop being weird.
That's all y'all want, right? Yeah, that's what I want.
Come on, let's go to the front office. Come on.
Okay. That's
Come on. They're looking at us. Stop touching.
Yo, Charlotte, do 350 plus 250.
Huh?
350.
I can't because I'm already recording.
You don't need to record this.
350 plus 250.
350 plus 250. I have the money in my head. Go
That's for me. That's for $6.
Here, come 3 plus 2 is 5.
Alright.
5 plus
Then you will
50.
need 6. There's 100. Now we like
5 plus 50 is not 100.
That's like 7.
50 plus 50 is 100.
You just said 5 plus 50.
Same thing.
The block here. The block is here. Okay, this looks like start. Go in all this. Pull to this line. Go over.
I don't put it up there.
I already know it's not gonna be enough money. We're gonna be embarrassed. The what? In the morning. It's not enough money.
She put her